that go into there. Alright, how does it work? Is that it? Right. First time on an electric bike ever. This should be interesting. I often take the mick out of electric cars, but we're going to give this one a fair run out and a fair review and not make any assumptions just yet. Just come up with a warning: 12-volt battery heating up. Okay, so how long do I need to wait for that? So obviously, being electric, you don't have a clutch or any gears. It's just twist and go. And the last time I sat on anything electric was a golf scooter. Actually no, it was a golf buggy back in my early teens, and I managed to crash it into the clubhouse entrance. So let's hope that's not an omen for this. Fingers crossed. Right, wish me luck, everybody. So this is the Zero Motorcycles DSR X. Now, as you can tell from the sound of the engine, she's a beastie one. I think it's, I don't even know, 17.3 something battery, whatever that means. And according to the online specs, it would do a range of 288 kilometers, which is, I think I worked out to be 178 mile, and a top speed of 180 kilometers, which again I worked out to be, I think it's 111, 112 miles per hour. But I'll just try to go with the first gear, but there isn't one. This is very, very strange. Reaching out for the clutch, that's not there. Right. Actually balances really well. Come on then. It's quite a weird experience coming up to that junction, because obviously when you're on my normal bike, you're sort of, you know, using a bit of clutch control to keep the bike upright. This felt really well balanced. Right, we're coming up to the national speed limit. Let's open up a little bit. That's not bad. We are in eco mode though, so I'm not expecting super things. I believe there are quite a few different rider modes, and I think so we'll see how we get on and whether we want to try that out. I mean, now you can't tell I'm on electric or petrol. Riding position's very comfortable. The mirrors are good. You've got an adjustable front screen there, which you might have to tweak. You got a nice big display, and you've got a 12-volt power supply there. It's pretty handy. So if you do want to do any touring, obviously what this bike's intended for, you can just plug all your gear into there. It's so bizarre, just not having that sound. Well, really, I mean, at the minute, that's the only thing that I'm missing. Bike feels great. I mean, the practicality of having an electric touring bike, unless you've got a route planned where you can stop off and charge, you know, I think you're pretty limited to what touring you can actually do. I mean, I can't imagine there's many charging stations in the Pyrenees, but I could be wrong. So while we're out on the DSR-X, I'll give you a bit of an update what's been happening. Some of you may have seen that I went to the MCN show at the XL in London, which was a really good day out. It was the first time I've been, so it was good. Got to meet up with some people I met through Instagram, and also met up with the guys from Ultimate Ear, who have now become an official partner of the channel, which I am so happy about. Such a great product, and I'm so happy to be sharing reviews, new product launches, and I'm hoping once the weather gets a bit better and I can travel up to their offices, I'm going to show you, without giving away too many secrets, how the ear protection's made, and how it's and the whole moulding process. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. I just use mode button then. Just press it. Oh, standard mode, sport mode, Thor mode, rain mode, eco. Let's try it up a night. Let's go to standard mode. Hello sir. Hi boys. How you doing? Oh, that one's on a bit quicker. Listen. I think the first 5-10 minutes it's a bit alien, but after that you get used to it, and it's just like riding a bike. Let's see what she sounds like under the tunnel, shall we? Give it a blip. Oh yes, grunty.
I had the first one.
Did you?
Yeah. Just went wrong with it. Oh. They're out of business now, aren't they?
The Zero?
Yeah, the dealer were only
Oh, sorry, yeah.
So I took it back. There's a place open up down here now, isn't it?
I'm not sure, I haven't been over here in ages.
Electric motorbike shop.
Is there?
No, it's just opened up over Cambridge. Yeah, we're just down there.
Oh, let's have a look. Yeah.
Down there, you saw them at the front.
I'm only borrowing it for a couple of weeks.
Yeah. Good fun though, aren't they?
Yeah.
Acceleration on it's stupid, isn't it?
Oh, well, I've kept it in eco mode, and I kept it in standard, but it's got Thor mode.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure that's going to be like.
When I took mine out for a test drive before I bought it,
Yeah.
came to a traffic light, looking for I went and rev it, didn't I?
I've been grabbing the clutch all day. was nice chatting to you, buddy. Take care of yourself. See you, mate. Brum, 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 brum. It's electric. See you later. Sorry about that, the battery died on my camera. It looks like it's about to die on the bike as well. We've got 16 miles left. So it's going to be an interesting first charge out in the wild. Right, let's see what we have to do here. Scan the QR code to start your, that's me, photo. Fixed price, £1 per kilowatt. Get email your receipt. Continue to payment. Apple Pay. So what do you have to do then? Do I have to plug my thing into there? Does that go into there? And then does that go into there? Alright, how does it work? Is that it? What's happening? Hello? Is it the wrong one? Does that not work? I guess not. Okay, that's a fail then. Okay, so we can't use that charger. Am I being charged? Well, that didn't work because it looks like it's the wrong type of connection. So, yeah. I've just been charged 80 quid as well. Let's hope they refund that. Let's try the next place. I think Tesco have a charging point. Here we go, electric. Is it the same? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Looks it, isn't it? Alright, let's try again. Right, plug cable in. Select. What? App Store. Oh, we're getting somewhere. What's this? 3.2. Can we bump it up? How do we bump it up? I'll put £10 in, and I'm not sure how much that's going to get me. It says we're powering at 3.2 kilowatts, and it's going to be another 3.5 hours before it's fully charged, which I ain't waiting around 3.5 hours. But I'm thinking we'll leave it there for now, and catch you in the next video, which will be my full and final thoughts on the Zero Motorcycles DSR X. So if you've got any questions in the meantime, please drop them below. As always, thanks very much for watching. Take care of yourself, ride safe, and I will see you soon.